Just got in the new X4, Insta X4, 360-degree camera. I have the X2, and thought I would do an unboxing here and see what it actually is in it. Keep in mind, I got the Extreme package, I think it's called. It's with the extra battery, the case, and everything else. So thought I would just share and see what's all in the package together. Okay, little bubble wrap, the 85 centimeter selfie stick. I don't know why they made it smaller. It might because it fits in the case. I don't know. I'll open up everything in just a moment. Here is the grip for the selfie stick. Lens cap. A battery. The charging case. The battery is a bigger thing, and it's charging for the X4. And that's probably the extra battery. Here's the Insta X4 itself. We'll get to that in a second. There's a memory card. I ordered it. All came with that same overall package. And the case. So we'll put this aside, and since I'll want to put things in each of in here, I'm gonna start with the case first, and we'll open it up, and then I can store things and not mess it up. So opening the case, simple packing material. I'll set all this aside. It's padded, and it's padded here too. So, okay, now we got that. Put this back in the box. So now let's do the Insta360 itself. This is the new X4 8K. And she is pretty. So it already has a battery inside right here. That's the extra battery. It's got little plastic things over the lens and that. So I am not going to take any of that off just yet. I'm going to set this right here. And let's see what else is in here. So we have, not sure what all this is. We're learning together. Oh, this is the lens protectors, the standard plastic lens protectors. You can see they're a little bubbly. I'm not going to pull them out. I am going to set them here in the case here. And close this up. Looks like a few books and manuals on the Insta360. Probably all the do not do this and do not do that stuff. Yes, I like putting things back. A little anal that way. Okay, and then we have what I believe is the little standard carrying case. Which is good. This will be for your pocket. Cleaning cloth right here. You take it out. And I'll put this in this as well, because I'll use that for sure. And then again, some more documentation. I'm not sure what this is for. Someone said online this was for additional cooling. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be using that at all. And here's the case. It looks like it's got room for SD card or the lenses. That's for the 2 lenses, it looks like. And then some other material, probably the charging cable here, which is just a standard USB-C cord, but USB-C both sides. Yep. So I will put all this back together. And this, sorry. This goes back in here. Speed it up if you get annoyed with me, because I am picky about how I put things out and put things back in. Nope, that goes here. Make sure there's nothing underneath here. It doesn't look like it. Nope. And put this back. And then this is the top. And this charging cable, I like how it's got 2 pieces here to help you wrap it. The cable will go nicely right there. Then, let's see, lens cap. Lens cap. Again, all this additional packing stuff. My question about the lens cap is, will it go over the lens protectors? I don't know. Looks like it may. They really protrude out. They have a notch here and a notch here. For what, I don't know, other than for charging. And it looks like they will. Yeah, there's plenty of room for them to go over the sticky on lens protectors. That's really nice. No one talked about that. And I'm not sure what some of these other notches are for. Those are speakers. So yeah, and then this case actually holds it with the case there. That's nice. Extra battery. Try not to cut myself. I know you are thinking I'm going to. I'll probably have blood here before the day's over with. I always save all the boxes, because when I go to resell this in a year or so, I want to make sure I can get the most out of it, because I'm going to be doing the same thing with my X2. And let's see, what do we have here? There we go. All the additional documentation. Little battery case here. I don't know that I need it, but there it is. For the time being, I will keep it in its case. I'll put that in there. And wrapping this up. So I'm doing this outside on my front porch. It's such a beautiful day, and we've had a series of several rainy days. I just could not be inside anymore. A little chilly, but I'm still out here. SD card from Insta. So here's the fast charging hub. I figured this would be good. It was just part of the deal, and looking at all the additional cost of each item, it was a few dollars cheaper to buy it as a group as opposed to individual. And I actually got a few things like this charging hub that I probably never would have gotten unless it was all part of the same package. So, and it comes with its own additional charging cable. That's nice. That's very good. And let's see. Yep. So I'll be able to charge it. Good. I like it. What's odd is there's no place for the charging hub in here. At least I don't think there is. There may be. Okay, now for the selfie stick. Oh, I just don't know why they made it smaller, other than for it to fit in there, and they couldn't make the case a little bit bigger to hold it, but you know, it is what it is. I don't know what that is, but some sort of inspection pass. I'm glad it passed inspection. 1/4-inch thread on the bottom, so I can use my other selfie stick, maybe to extend it. Put all this back in here. And here. And then the additional handle, this, I guess, makes it for an easier grip, as I understand it. So still couldn't figure out all the images online. It shows this going over the top of this. Makes it, I guess, to grip it easier. I don't know. There we go. And then, really, it's not all that long of a selfie stick. It's got a good firm grip to it though. And then it does fit nicely in here. Good. And, that does look like that is meant for that. How does it plug in? Oh, right there. Now, that would have been nice if you could leave it plugged in right there. I might cut something out there, but that's good. And then this I can store here, or store over here. And then this case here can go there. This is good. I like this little case. I wouldn't have do not eat pack. And I can definitely store these, take these off and put them in here, and then keep that in there too. All good. Hope y'all enjoyed. I will definitely do some more publishing. I like the feel of it. It definitely feels a little bit better than my X2, sorry, my X2. Beautiful. Nice. I am pleased with this purchase. Hope y'all enjoyed. If there's any questions you have, ask. We'll go from there on trying to learn together. Thank you.